Your name.
My name is Ezika R. I am here to make a project of making car which will be powered by electricity. Firstly, we have some rotors, lights and tires. The rotor serves as the rotatory part of the tire. So we will need to glue some parts. You cut the size of the car, then you glue it. It will take some seconds before it gets dry. So let us wait. So it will take some seconds for it to get dry. Gum this one at the top of the car. So we'll add some glue to it. Seconds for it to get dry. With the scissors. After cleaning it, we will now test it. We will wait for some seconds for the light to stay on the pack.